Today, I'm Robert Nichols. I'm Principal Technical Architect of Cincinnati Tennis, home of the Cincinnati Open, the heart of tennis. We have had a reputation of being intimate and personal. Last year, we took on an ambitious, challenging, $260 million, 20 to 40 acre expansion transformation of our campus that had to be completed in 11 months. The personality of the event, that's what we're known for. And we have a world-class group of people running this across all entities, including 2,000 plus volunteers. I think they're the best volunteers in the world. We have several hundred media members, photographers. They all descend on our facility. The network has to perform. Our job as a technical team is to provide that network foundation that's going to give them the most capability and provide them the technical tools to be able to deliver and elevate that fan experience. The network should be invisible. The experience should not. We get within a 1 or 2% how many people are on the grounds at any point. If we know that there's, instead of 12,000 people, we have 18,000 people on the grounds, we'll make sure we have plenty of water. We make sure we have plenty of beer in those bars. We'll make sure all those pieces are there. That was a fabulous thing to be able to provide.